The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Samsung's latest foldable smartphone launched recently. Release date and availability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 was officially announced on July 9, 2025 and became available for purchase globally starting July 25, 2025. It has seen unprecedented demand, breaking pre-order records and has even sold out in select markets in India. Key features and specifications. Design. It is touted as Samsung's thinnest and lightest book style foldable yet. Weighing 215 grams, 24 grams lighter than its predecessor and measuring 8.9 mm when folded and a mere 4.2 mm when unfolded. It features an advanced armor aluminum frame, Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the cover screen and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back. The armor flex hinge has been redesigned to close thinner and the crease on the main display is less prominent. It is rated IP48 for water and dust resistance. Display. Main folding display, 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x QXGA plus resolution 2184 x 1968 pixels up to 120 Hz refresh rate up to 2600 nits brightness. Covered display, 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x FHD plus resolution 2520 x 1080 pixels up to 120 Hz refresh rate with a wider 21:9 aspect ratio. Processor powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, offering significant performance improvements over the Z Fold 6, 38% faster CPU, 26% smoother GPU, 41% quicker AI. Camera rear, a powerful 200 megapixel wide camera, a significant upgrade from previous models, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. Front two 10 megapixel shooters, one on the cover, one under display on the inner folding display. Software runs on Samsung's One UI 8 based on Android 16 with a commitment of 7 years of major OS and security updates. It features next generation Galaxy AI capabilities including photo assist for editing. Battery 4400 MHz capacity with support for up to 25 watt wired and 15 watt wireless charging. Memory and storage available in 12 GB or 16 GB RAM with storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Connectivity 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. S Pen support. Notably, Samsung has officially removed S Pen support starting with the Z Fold 7. Price. The starting price for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is 1999 or 1799 pound or 2899 Australian dollar for the 256 GB storage and 12 GB RAM model. Prices for other configurations are 512 GB and 12 GB RAM, 2199 pound or 1899 pound or 3099 Australian dollar. 1 TB and 16 GB RAM, 2419 pound or 2149 pound or 3549 Australian dollar. In India, the prices are 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage rupees 1,74,999. 12 GB plus 512 GB storage rupees 1,86,999. 16 GB plus 1 TB storage rupees 2,10,999 or rupees 2,16,999 according to some sources. Color options: blue shadow, silver shadow and jet black. A mint color options is available through Samsung.com.